Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. Today in this video, I shall show you something really incredible. Within just 15 minutes or so, I shall explain how you can shoot your own or your loved one's videos at your most favorite locations around the world without wasting a single penny and the need of stepping out of your home. You just need a couple of tube lights in the room, a green or blue background screen which you can easily make with even your bedsheet, a normal mobile cam and an ordinary tripod just to place the mobile, and that's it, you are done. So please follow the entire video very carefully and see the magic happen actually.
Please subscribe my channel by clicking on the subscribe button just below the video screen and tap on the bell notification icon just beside it and turn on the show notifications option to get regular channel updates first.
So right at the beginning, you need to shoot your video. But please remember a few things while you shoot your video. The background in front of which you are shooting your video should be either blue, light blue, green or light green. If you use any other color in the background, then the video background may not be changed later. Okay. The second point which you must remember is you should not be standing or sitting very close to the background. Otherwise, your shadow will be reflecting on the background, and later when you try to substitute the background, it will create some black spots in the screen. That is a very important point. You have to arrange the light in such a way that when it falls on the background screen, it should not reflect, and the background screen should not glitter. So it's up to you how you arrange the light. So that is the third most important thing. One more thing you need to remember is there should not be less light as well in the room. The last important aspect is your dress, hat, jewelry or shoe color cannot match with the background screen color which you are using to shoot your video. For example, if you are shooting in front of a blue background, then you cannot wear a blue shirt, t-shirt, hat or shoe. In case if you are wearing something blue, then later when you try to change the background, then your dress color will be replaced by the substituted background screen color. So that's why you should avoid the matching color. So after following these aspects, when you finally make your video, as I have made one, okay, as you can see on the screen, okay, it's a music video of mine. I'm not very good at singing, so don't go with that. Okay, so you have to just make a video like that. when you are done with the video, you can install the InShot, as you are able to see, and you can go to video and you can click on new. Suppose you are taking this one which I was showing you. Okay, just take the video and first crop it. Why there is a need to crop? Because as I told you just a little while back, the light which is falling on the background screen may be different at different parts of the screen. So what I will do is I will cut the far areas of the screen like this. I have kept some room because when I move my hands or when you do some other activity, you need to have some room in your video, otherwise your hand or your body parts may go outside the video screen. So just like that you can create the video and you can save it as well. Just save it. 720 pixel is enough. Okay, so the video is cropped here. Okay, you can see there. Now install the Kinemaster app from the Google Play Store and click on the add button and just select the aspect ratio of the project. Okay, so for my video it is 16:9, and at first I need to choose the background which I want to use in my video. Okay, so here I have kept my background in the download folder, and suppose I will use that one. Just drag it here and save it, then just select it and click on duplicate multiple times, because you need to use this background throughout your video. It's a clip and it's a small clip, so you need to have multiple clips to cover the entire video which you are creating. Here you can see it's 2 minutes 6 seconds. That will be enough for my video. Okay, then just come out of that and tap on layer, then tap on media, and then choose your video. Okay, as I have edited it with InShot, it is inside the InShot folder. Now you can see the video is added. What I do here is just place your video in the middle of your screen so that it does look good. You can place it anywhere. You can drag it to any side of the screen, left, right, up, down, but I always prefer to put it in the middle. Okay, so you can place it. Then what you need to do, just go to chroma key. Here you can see a lot of options. Just go to chroma key and tap on enable. Here I have selected show mask, but it's not necessary. You can deselect it. Here you can adjust the foreground and background of your video. I have seen that when this parameter, the second parameter, is 66% and the first parameter is 33%, the background gets substituted completely and you cannot see any noise in the background as well. Now if you want to fine edit, you can go to detail curve. Okay, before going to detail curve, one more important thing is the key color. Here you need to choose the color which actually is your background color in your original video. Okay, so here we have used light blue, so this is fine. You can choose any other color, but you will see that this function is not working properly, so you can just use this one. Okay, this color is my original video background screen color. Now in the detail curve, okay, I am doing some fine adjustments, although it does not matter much, but still if you do it, it will be good. Now show mask, just tap on the video strip, and if you choose show mask, you are able to see that my entire body is being shown as white. This is the inverted colors, and my original video background screen is being shown as black. So when it is like that, that means there is no noise in your video. That means when you render the video, you won't find any dark spots on your background screen or any flashes on your body, or no other abnormality will be there. Okay, now you can just move these two strips just to check out whether it is working fine or not. You can see there is no noise actually. If noise would have been there, you could have seen some spots, white spots on top of the black background screen. Now you can delete those extra pieces of clips, those are not required. Now you can just end your video, adjust the two strips. Suppose I want to keep the video till this because my song is ending here. Now just tap on the video strip, the video which you have made, just tap on that and trim. Okay, so the video is made and you can export the video now. Okay, now you will get the full HD or QHD of the video in the premium versions. We are just using free version, and the HD version on the HD video, that will be fine for us. So just tap on HD 720 pixel, it is already selected. Okay, now tap on export, it's exporting, it will take some time. The export is done and you can close the ad. So just tap on play here and enjoy. I'm opening it with MX Player. See, this really looks awesome, isn't it? So that's all, friends. So if you just follow these tips, you can make really awesome videos.
Please subscribe my channel by clicking on the subscribe button just below the video screen and tap on the bell notification icon just beside it and turn on the show notifications option to get regular channel updates.